So the problem that we have here is how to remove all this one and only include this one. So in the beginning of the video, I show you that sometimes you have to manually delete them, yeah, because it's just easier to just delete them. You can also delete them by using this clear outside. You can also, so you can remove all the extra dot that we need to measure. Another way to remove them is, so you split the channels and you remove a lot of things, and then you can go to color balance. And I think also in threshold, you can also remove some things. There are different ways to remove things. However, another way to remove things is just in an analyze particles and select, these things are very tiny. Yeah, these things are very tiny. So just measure things that are higher than our area of 2 microns, and we know that our areas will be higher than 2. So for example, if I don't never put pixel units, because it will be not counting in microns, so it's removing the scale. If you put from 0 to infinity, you are going to have hundreds of points, because it's going to take into account this. So look, let's see. Look, do you see that instead of counting, here is counting all of these ones. And in slide 15, it will also count this one, but it's counting all of this one that we don't need. So if you get, you get all these really tiny one, is because, look, you shouldn't have 3,000 points. You should have only from 15 to 49. So you have, I think it was 34 measurements. Let's see how many. I don't want to pretend. I don't want to think. So look, 35 measurements, yeah? And you can actually see which were the measurements because you have them. The outlines you can see. Okay. Oh, I didn't. I think I didn't save the outlines, the previous outlines. But it's okay. I can just go and make it big, and it will take a second. So remember, this is why we don't use 0 there. If you put 0.5, you might still have a problem. If you put 1, maybe you will not have a problem. Yeah, so let's put, just as an example, look, if you put 20, so now it's not going to measure this one. Yeah, so it has to be there. So let's put one value that it could be in the threshold, that so look what happened. So let's do it and look. So here, look, do you see what happened here? So you are supposed to have 35, so it's measuring many more. So there is a problem. So let's see, where is the problem? Look, right away in the slide number 2, it measured something. And let's see what it measured. Slide number 2, it measured one of these guys, yeah? So in that way, you are not supposed to have anything until 15. Look, there is another one, number 6. There are more, yeah? And if you see here, look, all of this one. So we just don't use these measurements. And this is why we have to add here, we don't put we put a value that is bigger. The opposite problem can be here. Maybe if we have maybe 7. Yeah, so measure only areas between 7 to infinity. And you say, okay, let's do it now. So look what happened. Instead of having 35, you're going to have 30. So you are missing 5 measurements. So look, before, until 15, everything is perfect. Yeah, because you are not going to count all these small ones. However, when you go look, you're missing 15, you're missing 16, 17, 18, 19, and it starts since 20. Yeah, so these are the things that you can be aware if you are missing it. You just open the file and say like, okay, I am supposed to have all these cells and I don't see them anymore. It's because I'm missing something, and we can fix it in any of these ways. Okay, I hope this is a long video, but I show you the different problems. The cell it was slightly more difficult for random reasons that sometimes I made a mistake, sometimes there was a glitch and it was not showing me something, but I show you that saving things, it will help you to not have to repeat everything, although it take maximum 5 minutes to check every cell. Okay, I'm going to save this for you and send it in case that you have a doubt. Okay, hopefully it was clear. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.